Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken miso soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, either thighs or breasts. Prepare 6 cups of dashi broth, or you can use chicken broth for a similar flavor. Don't forget 4 ounces of firm tofu, cut into 1-inch cubes, and 2 green onions sliced. Finally, have 3 tablespoons of miso paste and 1 cup of sliced mushrooms ready. Next, let's prepare the chicken and broth. Begin by cutting your chicken into bite-sized pieces, then season them lightly with a pinch of salt. In a large pot, bring your dashi or chicken broth to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Carefully add the seasoned chicken pieces to the simmering broth. Let the chicken cook for about 8 minutes, ensuring it is fully cooked through. As it cooks, use a spoon to skim any foam that rises to the surface, which helps keep your soup clear. Now, it's time to incorporate the key flavors and textures. Take a small amount of the hot broth from the pot and place it in a separate bowl. Add your 3 tablespoons of miso paste to this small amount of broth and stir until it is completely dissolved. Then, gently stir the dissolved miso paste back into the main pot of soup. Add the sliced mushrooms and the cubed tofu. Allow the soup to simmer for about 5 minutes, just until the mushrooms are tender and the tofu is heated through. To finish your delicious chicken miso soup, stir in the sliced green onions right before you're ready to serve. Give the soup a quick taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. You might want a little more salt or a touch more miso paste to suit your preference. For those who love to read, the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for enjoying books anywhere. Remember to check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, ladle the hot chicken miso soup into individual bowls and serve it immediately to enjoy its comforting warmth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.